Hello everyone. So today I have received this laptop motherboard from Dell Inspiron 5050. So let us take see its model number first. It is like this 11280-1. Okay. If you see this motherboard, you will not find any schematics because we have 5 volt and 3.3 volt IC over here, and its number is 51225. And if you search for same schematic, you will find 51123 IC is there on that schematic, and this is another one, so you will get confused in that. So in this motherboard, if you have Dell Inspiron 5050 and 5050, then your IC will be 51225. Okay, so when I received this motherboard, I was having this IC. We were having VRG3, means 3.3 LDO was there, but 5 and 3.3 volt supply were missing. So before starting, we will check our motherboard first. So as you can see, I have just turned on. It is taking 22 milliamps. Okay, so let me try to power on. Okay, just let me. As you can see, the motherboard has powered on, and we have display also, as you can see. So I have repaired this motherboard. So let me show you once again. Just I have turned on. It is taking 23 milliamps. Let me turn on, as you can see, and we have display also. So when I received this motherboard, 5 and 3.3 supply were missing. So before this motherboard has gone to someone else, because as you can see, there is someone has heated this PCH and cleaned. That's why we have some sort of dust stuck to this. We have, I think he is cleaned with isopropyl alcohol. That's what we have. And when I check this motherboard, here also we have some cleaning part, means he have tried to heat this PCS. I think that enable signal was missing, entry 1 entry 2 was missing. That's why he thought of this section that PCS is faulty. That's why it is not entry 1 entry 2 is not generated. Okay, so I was not having schematic. As you can see, you will find similar board, but you will not find schematics for this IC. 51225 IC is there then. So next stage, if you receive same motherboard, so let me show you first schematic. Okay, this is the schematics. So I was tracing S5 enable, which is for 5 volt and 3.3 volt. Okay, so we have this Q2706. So I was getting 3.3 on this terminal gate and not on this. Okay, this MOSFET is in active mode, means this is turned on. That's why if we have 3.3 on gate, then our source terminal drain will be grounded. As you can see, source is grounded. That's why this ground will be shifted over this, and S5 will be not generated. Okay, so so if we trace this gate is pulled high with this 3.3 supply. Okay, so this supply should be grounded. Okay, so the simplest trick what you can see, you can do, you remove this Q2706 and just make a jumper from ground to source. After making a jumper, you will be turning, means you will be shifting this ground to this point, and you will be turning on SPI enable. Okay, so let's trace this SPI enable and let me show you. Okay, so this SPI enable is coming from 3 and 5 volt enable. Okay, let me trace this. Okay, this is the IC which is not matching to our schematic. I have downloaded this 51280. Okay, this 11, this is the same schematic which were downloaded, but okay, this is the IC, but in our motherboard we have 51225. So let's show you the location of that jumper. So we have Q2706 over here. So we have to make a jumper from gate to drain source. Okay, so I have just made a jumper, and now our motherboard is repaired successful. Thank you.